Hi folks, this is Max from TransformerPrimeRoot.com. So I'm going to show you how to make a backup of your ROM. I have a stock rooted ROM. You'll want to make a backup at least once, and make sure you make a backup in case when you install a new ROM. And also, it can be really easy to unroot back to unroot your device after you root it and install new ROMs. So let's go do it. You know what? I think we can try it using ROM Manager. Maybe that'll make things simpler. So let's go to Market. Let's see if it works. It might work. Make things automated, Actually, you can use ROM Manager for most things. Let's go install ROM Manager. And you have to have don't install don't flash Clockwork Mod recovery from ROM Manager, because it's gonna do funky things. And maybe by the time you see this video it's already supported, but as of now, as of February 23rd 2012, it's not supported yet. If you must have Clockwork Mod recovery installed before you use ROM Manager. If you don't know how, go to my site TransformerPrimeRoot.com. I have directions there. And you have to have a rooted Transformer Prime. And open. And you have the ROM Manager. Okay, just click OK. And maybe it's not going to work. Maybe we'll have to use it the other way. Let's try backup current ROM. Yeah, no, it's not working. Screw that. We're going to go reboot it. Just do it manually. Hold down, volume down, and the power button until you see the letters on the top, the small letters. And then you're gonna let go. Up. I want to zoom in, but I don't want to. There we go. And hit volume up right there. And it should enter your recovery. If you have Clockwork Mod recovery installed. If you don't, then go install it first. Alright, and this should be pretty simple to do. Just go to backup and restore, hit the power button, go to backup, hit the power button, and it's going to start backing up your whole system, your apps, your settings, your whole ROM. This whole ROM includes everything, so if something goes wrong, but you can access Clockwork Mod recovery, you just get in there, restore, bam, you're good to go again. That's why you need to use this. And then I will actually use the restore function to restore it back completely back to whatever it was, once I have a backup. And this should take about 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long. Also, you can use this method to install a bunch of ROMs and then back it up into an image, because it has all your settings and stuff. And then when you're on the bus or on the plane and something goes wrong with one of the ROMs, then you can restore another ROM without going through the whole process of installing a new ROM, restoring your apps, your settings. You can switch from ROMs to ROMs pretty easily. There's actually an app now for that for smartphones, but I haven't really messed with it. I would just use Clockwork Mod Manager, Clockwork Mod Recovery for now. I feel like it's the best tool out there. So I'll be back when this is done. Hi y'all folks, so it is done now. And if you don't get any errors, if you have enough space in your internal storage, see I still have 26 gigs, you should be all good to go. You can go to, when you want to restore, do the same thing. Go to backup and restore, and go to restore, and it should be time-stamped right there, 2012. That's what I just made. So I'm going to actually restore and say yes. And I'll show you that I've actually backed up and then restored back to the ROM I'm using right now with everything working. So I'll be back when this is done, and then we'll reboot and check that restoration of my ROM has been complete. Hi folks, so it is done. I'm just gonna go reboot system now, which is the top menu there, and hit the power button. And hopefully I didn't lose anything. Even though this is one of the first versions of Clockwork Mod Recovery, it should work fine. If it doesn't, I'm screwed because there's no unbricking method yet. But that should be fine. This should work fine because we didn't get any error messages. And the developers, they wouldn't release a clockwork mod recovery without making sure it works. And we have ROMs now for Asus Transformer, so. So today I did all this. I booted up. There you go. Exact same thing. I have all my apps, everything back. So that's how you back up and restore ROMs using Clockwork Mod Recovery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our email list at transformerprimeroot.com, where we alert you via email once a week. No hassle. We don't share your email. It's just for me to alert you every week. Or you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, or both is good. Thanks y'all, and see y'all later. Don't be a hater.